In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Amazon Affiliate Program, also known as Amazon Associates. It's a wonderful opportunity to earn commissions by promoting products that are available on Amazon. We'll go through each step thoroughly, ensuring that you have all the knowledge you need to start on the right foot. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Amazon Associates website. There, you'll find a prominent Sign Up button that you'll need to click on. Now, at this stage, you'll be given a choice. You can either sign in with your existing Amazon account or opt to create a new one. It's highly recommended to create a separate account just for your affiliate business. This helps maintain a distinction between your personal Amazon activities and your professional affiliate work, keeping everything neatly organized. After signing up, you'll move on to providing essential information about your business. Start with your website or app details. If you have multiple platforms where you plan to promote Amazon products, like a blog, a mobile app, or YouTube channel, you'll need to enter the URLs for each one. It's an important step, as this helps Amazon understand where you'll be driving traffic from. Next up is the Profile Setup section. Here you'll need to explain the methods you use to attract visitors to your site or app and describe the kind of content you typically create. This paints a clearer picture of your promotional avenues and helps Amazon evaluate your application more effectively. Don't forget to provide your payment and tax information at this stage as well. This is crucial for receiving your earnings down the line. Once your information is submitted, there's a review process you'll have to patiently wait through. After approval, you'll gain access to the Amazon Associates Central Dashboard. This is where the magic happens. You can create unique affiliate links for any product on Amazon using either the SiteStripe browser extension or the Build Links section within your dashboard. These links are what track the sales and ensure that you get credited for the purchases made through them. Finally, it's vital to understand that Amazon requires you to disclose your affiliate relationship with your audience. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a requirement. You'll need to place a clear and prominent disclosure statement on your website or platform, informing your visitors that you might earn a commission from their purchases. This transparency helps maintain trust with your audience and keeps you compliant with Amazon's policies. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to joining the Amazon Affiliate Program. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful affiliate marketing business. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your new venture.